What's up, everybody? My name is Fab Casso, and welcome back to another do-it-yourselfer. This is a special do-it-yourselfer because this is releasing on Christmas. So the sneaker that I will be doing today is one of my close friends' BREDS 11s. Oh, fumble. And what I'll be doing to it is gonna be making some dirty breads. Nice, easy custom that I haven't done in years. And the reason I'm looking at it like this because I haven't seen these in person. Well, I've seen like a grade school pair in person, not a men's size. So this is the first time me seeing it in person. And I've like noticed how it's like has raw edges going around the patent leather. I'm probably gonna black that out too, so it can just look better. But yeah, follow me along. Well, follow along with all the steps that I'll be showing you guys how to make this dirty bread custom. So let's get into it. All right, so the first step, nice and easy, is I'm gonna go over the midsole with some acetone. Just a quick once over, just to get off any of the factory coats that may have gotten on the sneaker. Just need to get that off so the processes that we will be doing will allow the paint at the end to adhere to the sneaker. So simple as just going over it with a cotton wipe and some acetone. All right, so the next step that you'll be doing after using the acetone to get it off is dyeing the midsole black. And the reason you want to do that is if you just paint over it, if it cracks, the white will show through. So what we're gonna do is dye the white, and I have my little brush here. And the dye that I'll be using is FBCC sole dye, and it's smoke is the color. Get some gloves, and I'm gonna go over the sneaker or the midsole with the sole dye. Just wanted to show you guys real quick. Simple as dipping it in the dye, then just going over the white section of the midsole. You don't want to do too much because you don't want it to leak and end up dyeing the actual sole. So you just want to be cautious when you're doing it.
A few moments later.
All right, so I dyed the midsole, and while I'm gonna wait for that to dry, I don't know if you could see it or not, but around the patent leather, how it's that it looks like undone, how it's like the white strip going around it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dye that black too, just so it just all blends in, so that white strip doesn't just pop out, because that looks horrible. All right, so now that I have dyed the midsole and the little upper part of the patent leather, then what I'm gonna do now is tape off the upper, well, like everything above the midsole, and I'm gonna tape off the sole too, and I'm gonna spray an adhesion promoter on the midsole, and that's gonna also help prevent from the paint cracking and everything once I put the paint on. So yeah, it's little steps like this to make that will make your custom last a little longer. All right, so I've sprayed the adhesion promoter on the midsole. So now what I'm gonna do is lay, I'm gonna do 3 coats of black paint. Then after I've used 3 coats of black paint, the final 2 steps that I'm gonna be doing is using scratch resistant sealer. I'll do 3 coats of this, wait for it to dry. Then don't know where it is, but I'm gonna be using final like spray like Krylon matte finisher to finish it off. Then it'll be already to go. All right, so we're almost down to the home stretch. So as you can see, the dye and black paint combo is done. Next thing I'll be doing, like I said, is using the scratch resistant sealer. Laying 3 coats of the scratch resistant sealer, letting that each coat dry, then spraying it with the finisher, then it's gonna be done. If you want to see like more in detail how to use the scratch resistant sealer, I'll leave videos in the description that I've used it like in more detail. I use it like I did a cleat, soccer cleat that was used in game and didn't crack or anything like that. So I'll be using this. Then we'll be all finished. The reason it's taking longer than expected is because the sneaker here is like a size 42. But yeah, we'll finish this up. All right, so just like that, the Dirty Bread 11 is complete. I'll show you what it looks like from the side by side, so you guys can let me know which one do you think is better. Of course, I'm gonna go with the dirty bread, and you can wear them more because you're not gonna have to worry about the white midsole getting dirty. But yeah, so the steps, just a recap of everything. The steps how we got this from this was acetoning the midsole, dyeing the midsole black, then spraying an adhesive promoter over the midsole, painting the midsole black, then using the secret stuff, scratch resistant sealer, to just seal it all in so it doesn't scratch off or anything when he's wearing it. So yeah, again, here's what the sneakers, the before and after, and yeah, finish this one up and I can drop them off to him. So again, thanks for watching another do-it-yourselfer by me, of course, and you guys have a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year, and until next time, peace. Oh, almost forgot. Also, follow me over there on my Instagram, and that's the same thing as my YouTube, and that is Fabcasso, all one word, FABCASSO. And until next time, peace.
Like that.